Stop panicking about missing PNG files. Let's fix your Blender render together. Follow these easy steps, and you'll be exporting like a pro in no time. First, check your output settings. Is your file format set to PNG? Did you accidentally type a weird character in your output path? Double check because one tiny typo can break your sequence. Next, peek at your frame rate. Make sure it matches your project and any video editor you'll use later. Mismatched frame rates mean choppy animations. Nobody wants that. Before you hit render, turn off overwrite if you're worried about losing files if something crashes. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Still stuck? Make sure your camera isn't hiding or disabled. And if things look weird, try disabling compositing in the sequencer in post-processing. Sometimes they get in the way. If nothing works, test your luck with a new Blender file, or try rendering straight to your desktop. Worst case, reinstall Blender. Fresh starts do wonders. Stay calm, keep tweaking, and your PNG sequence will be back in business. Subscribe for more Blender fixes.